says no toys allowed. And I am gonna build a wall. And even though these are my cookies, like there's a big, wait, there's chocolate chip, and there's too many cookies, and you guys mentioned that. And there's even this where I keep my Barney, and I can do exercise with this. But it's super heavy. And that there is an iPad. But it's just pretend iPad. Then pretend I'm playing like audio games. And under the cookie, speaking of food, this is a freezer with some food. Donuts, s'mores, and cake. And we have here this candy dispenser. And right there, we have a table. And it has one side. Just in case I don't know what time, well, I have a real clock, but it's only on my phone. And I'm going to make like a real box fort. And over here, these are walls. And I have no idea when I do this. And these are cookies. Cookie protein. Alright, so now I'm going to build some walls. It's going to be a bit difficult. Like this. So it's completely tricky because it was like very hard to build. So after that, but if you're 10 years old, just like me, then you can start building your own box. So we have there another part. This one is completely big, but the carpet is going to be a floor. And even though I'm going to pretend that I'm going to make sure that I'll use this iPad, and I'll say that the boys are coming. And it's like very hard. So for me, move these stuffs away. So, and this one is completely cool. Like, it's like an LOL, and I put L, and pretend there's O and L for laugh out loud.